Welcome to Your Fitness and Wellness Today. I'm Van Goss, and your workout for today is beginners kickboxing. We're going to do some beginners punches and kicks. All right? We're going to work on the jabs. So you're going to bring your foot and keep the knees bent. And this is fitness kickboxing. So we're going to work on the jabs. You're going to jab 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you see how I'm coming up off my foot? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's your jab. Now let's go to the cross. You're going to go across your body. Remember, see my back foot turn? 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to center. You're punching with your core and you're not swinging this way. That's an injury waiting to happen. You're punching with that core. You're twisting. 1, 2, cross. 3, 4. Now let's work on, we have the jab. We've got the cross. Now let's work on the hook. Hook, imagine you're cleaning off a shelf. You see that foot? It goes with me. And turn. Using the core to turn. 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 Hook. Turn. 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 Okay? Now when we do all 4 of those punches, we're going to do it all and we're going to put it all together. The last one of the 4 is called hook up. Or jab, cross, uppercut. Jab, cross, uppercut. Not hook up, but uppercut. So the uppercut, you're going to bring it right here. You're using the waist. Okay? And you see how the back foot comes up. Uppercut. 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 Like you right under that chin. Uppercut. 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 Okay? Ready? From the top. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut. Jab, cross, hook, uppercut. Ready? Here we go. Jab, cross. Go across your body. Hook. Uppercut. Now, if it goes too fast, just pause it, rewind it, and then start over again. Okay? Let's do those 4 punches. 4 punches. Jab. 4 jabs. 2, 3, 4. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uppercut. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this time you're going to travel with me with the punches. You're going to give me 4 punches, forward, 4 cross back, and then 4 hook, and then 4 uppercut back. Ready? Let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uppercut. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Let's work on the kicks. You're going to do a front kick, side kick, back kick. So our front kick, you can do a front kick with a tap. You're going to keep your arms engaged right here, a tap, or a knee, or a low kick. Low kick. Okay? Low kick, or a tap. Tap. Let's go for the low kick. Here we go. 1, 2, that's a front kick. 3, 4. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now kick back. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see. All right, kick back. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like you have a bag of groceries and you're trying to kick the door in. Right here. 1, 2. Use the butt. 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Those are basic kicks. Front kick. Use your core, your tummy to kick. Okay? You don't want to just do it. Think about what you do when you're doing it. The mind-muscle connection. Okay? Front kick. 2, 3, 4. Kick it. 1, 2. I'm breathing. 3, 4. Side. 1, 2. Low. 3, 4. Had to tell myself. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back kick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So now let's work on punch kick combinations. 1, 2, kick. 1, 2, and kick. 1, 2, and kick. 1, 2, and kick. Now jab, 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 and side. Jab, jab, and side kick. Jab, jab, and side. Jab, jab, and side kick. Now, punch. Now you're gonna punch forward and then kick back. Punch, punch, back kick, back kick. Punch, punch, back kick, back kick. Punch, punch, back kick, punch, punch, back kick, back kick. Now, the kicks are not high. We're not going for the gusto. We want to just take it easy and move into it, and then we'll take it up another notch. That is your basic beginner punches and kicks for kickboxing. So let's cool it down with a couple of yoga stretches. Inhale, exhale, and let's reach all the way out to the right. Hold and bring it down. Inhale up, exhale, other side, bring it down. And bring it up. Good, and hold it right here. So this just beginning kickboxing, fitness kickboxing, it really burns a lot of calories. And you know, it's a fun thing I got into about 20 years ago. And I don't do a lot of it. I do it slowly. And I do it maybe once a week because, come on up. Because for me, I did it so much back in the day where, you know, I injured my body. So I started doing yoga to get myself back to recovery. So that's fitness kickboxing. For those of you who are curious and beginning, rock it. We've got so much more coming your way. So subscribe and click that notification bell so you can have access to all the fun and excellent videos coming your way. I'm Van Goss. I love you. Please stay amazing, stay playful, even in adulthood, and have a grateful day. Bye.